In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can connect a soundbar, home theater, or a TV speaker to your Amazon Fire TV, either by using an HDMI connection or via optical or Toslink cable. So let's begin. First of all, we will make sure that our soundbar or TV speaker is connected to power properly, and after that, according to your connection choice, either connect the HDMI cable or the optical cable. But don't use two connections together as they can interfere and you may end up with no sound. So after we have plugged the cable into our soundbar properly, we will connect the other end into our TV's optical or Toslink port. Or for HDMI connections, it's a must that you plug it into an HDMI-ARC or an HDMI port that's marked as HDMI out, or else you won't be able to hear any sound. And in case you're using an optical connection, you'll have to keep in mind that you'll need to use your soundbar's remote to control its volume, because the TV remote's volume buttons won't be available in optical connection. Now for HDMI wired connection, we can go to our Fire TV's home, then we will go to Inputs, where you'll see the HDMI port light up that's connected to your soundbar. Another way to find out if your optical or HDMI connection is enabled is by pressing the settings button on your remote and then opening Sound. If you see all these options are grayed out, then it means your TV speaker is disabled and you're using your soundbar or external audio device. Furthermore, if we go to the settings panel and then open Display and Sounds, go down to Audio Output, you will be able to change the digital audio format from audio to pass-through if you're using a 7.1 home theater. You can also choose Dolby Audio if your content and TV supports it, and PCM for lossless audio pass-through. We're going to go with Dolby Audio. And you'll also have the ARC mode for HDMI connection. You can just leave it to auto and there won't be any difference. So that's how you can connect a soundbar to your Amazon Fire TV. If you found this useful, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and enjoy.